My name is Ursula Frank, and I'm responsible for R&D cooperation at Beckhoff Automation. Beckhoff Automation develops and produces PC-based control technology. The headquarters of Beckhoff Automation is in Germany. Beckhoff employs 4,500 people worldwide. Beckhoff had sales of 923 million euros in 2020. And in the last 10 years, Beckhoff had an annual increase in sales of about 15%. Beckhoff is represented in 77 countries around the world. Our goal is to be as close as possible to our customers. We want to speak in the customer's language and understand their needs. And so, we are proud to have a partner in Brasimar since 2003, who perfectly represents Beckhoff in Portugal. 14 people at Brasimar offers machine builders and machine users excellent support, training and service for Beckhoff products on the Portuguese market. Beckhoff Automation develops and produces industrial PCs, bus technology, drive technology, and the TwinCAD automation software. These technologies can be used for the realization of Industry 4.0. For us, Industry 4.0 means the connection of smart factories across value networks. The factories communicate with each other and optimize their value chain across the board. For this, first of all, secure communication is required. Therefore, Beckhoff provides several protocols for communication between the factories, but also for communication within a factory between, for example, machines. The second important point is data. The data is recorded by sensors on the machines and collected and evaluated using Beckhoff analytics technology. On the basis of this data, machine processes are controlled and optimized. Also, Beckhoff technology can be used for the engineering of the application. And at least, people are still important to us. Humans remain responsible for the process, and they are the decision makers. Using the example of an assembly company, I will explain the benefits of an Industry 4.0 implementation. The mentioned company has 9 production lines, each with several assembly and soldering stations. They produce, for example, circuit boards like this one. In the production process, at first, the soldering paste is applied. Then the electronic components, such as resistors and transistors, are placed by robots. After that, the components are soldered on by heating, and finally the control takes place. Two years ago, the company introduced an energy management system using the Industry 4.0 approach. The core of the solution is the collection, evaluation and communication of energy data, realized with TwinCAD analytics from Beckhoff Automation. At each machine, Sensors record the consumption of electrical energy and pressure. The sensor data is collected using Beckhoff fieldbus technology and forwarded to the machine's industrial PC. The industrial PCs communicate the data to a higher level energy management system in the cloud using standard protocols. In the cloud, the data is evaluated, analyzed, and also stored. The user can view the evaluations via a dashboard. Here you can see an excerpt of the evaluations. At the left, you can see the energy consumption in standard mode. The machine works. During breaks in the past, the machine was switched to the standby mode. See the energy consumption in the middle. Today, the machine is to be shut down completely during the breaks. See the line in the right. That leads to savings of 0.04 kilowatt hours per minute per machine. Taking in account all influences on production, TwinCAT Analytics determines the ideal time to switch off the machine. Extrapolated to entire machine park with the 9 production lines, round about 11,700 kilowatt hours per year can be saved in this way. And if you look at the energy costs, you will save over 1,700 euros per year. And taking this into account, you come to the conclusion that these savings are realized only through the usage of communication technologies in data analysis, thanks to the usage of Industry 4.0. And so machine builders and manufacturing companies are able to secure their long-term competitiveness and at the same time increasing their sustainability. And this slowly through Industry 4.0 realized by Beckhoff Automation Technologies in cooperation with Bresima in the Portuguese market. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you.